Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and this video is for administrators of organization accounts. I'll be showing you how to view the teachers connected, their students, and the assignments they've given to their class. So without further ado, let's get started. First, log into your account. Once you have logged in, click the profile icon at the top and click Team from the menu. The Team page is where you can find the list of teachers connected to the subscription. Click the three dots next to the teacher you'd like to view, and click View Classroom from the menu. This will display the teacher's profile. Scroll down to view their classes and their students. On this page, you can view the teacher's active classes and their archived classes. At the top, under the Students tab, is where you can see the list of students they have connected to them. Under the Classes tab, click a class to view the content. On this page, you can view what the teacher has in their lesson planner and in their content drawer. You're also able to move any lessons, and you can view the grade feed in the top right corner. To view the students in the class, click the Students tab at the top. Here you can view the list of students currently in the class, and to the left, you can invite new students to create an account and join the class with the class code, via email, or you can manually create their accounts. Under Details, you can see the settings your teacher currently has for the class and make any changes if necessary. If you do make any changes, don't forget to click the blue Save button at the bottom. Under the Details tab to the left, you can also generate reports by clicking Reports. This report will include their names, the dates they completed the tasks, how many tasks they completed, how much time it took, and their best score. Below is the participation report. This is the amount of time the students have spent doing their tasks on Ellii. You can pick a date range below and click Apply to generate the participation report. Lastly, you can see the teachers a part of this class. Click Team on the left to view the lead teacher and any co-teachers. That's it for this video on how to view teachers and their students. If you have any questions, please let us know.
Ellii.